Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Binance. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to open up your Bybit app and then tap on My Assets. Then among the given options, select Withdraw. After that, make sure you're on the crypto section and search for the coin you want to withdraw. For this case, we'll do USDT. Now select it. Now you will be on this withdraw page. Now you just have to fill out the address, network and amount, and you will do that by using the Binance. So now open up your Binance app. Now tap on the deposit button and tap on deposit crypto. Now on the search bar, search for USDT. Then it will ask you to select a network and choose any of the network. So let's say we'll do BEP20. So after selecting it, it will give you the QR code and the address. Now just copy the address and the network and come back to Bybit. And now over here just paste the address and also the network. Make sure the network is the same we chose over there. So for this case it's BEP20. Now here just select the amount and click on withdraw, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.